Exercise 4, syllables. Okay, we're getting a little bit more serious now. Syllable, it's a difficult thing to define. A word is quite easy to define, isn't it, obviously? For example, the word yesterday. You know it's a word. And in yesterday we have 3 syllables. Yes-ter-day. Syllables are very much to do with sound and what you hear. A syllable is a sound unit. It's usually smaller than a word and larger than a letter. But sometimes a whole word can be a syllable. And you'll see that later. Now think about airflow as you speak. When we speak, we make sounds using air. And we stop the airflow every so often doing what we call articulating with our tongue or with our lips. B. When we do B, you close your lips. It stops the air. When you do T, it stops the air before the T comes out. Now think about the airflow and you'll probably see that the syllable starts and ends where you've interrupted the airflow. Try saying probably, slowly. Pro, B, bli. 3 syllables. Now in the song, the syllable is a sound unit that will be associated with the notes of the music. So before we can write a melody, we need to actually look at the words we've come up with and identify the syllables. We're not talking about lyrics yet. Those lyrics will be the final syllables, words and sentences that are going to appear in the song. We're just playing with words at the moment. So for this exercise, take your raw song from exercise 3, plus all the rhymes, that's very important, all the rhymes, and then split all of the words into syllables. Here is my result, and I've indicated the border between the syllables with a hyphen. This is in fact what you see in songs. When you see a hyphen in the middle of a word, there's another part of the word coming afterwards, another syllable. I see me, mo, za, trees covered in yellow flowers. Those are the syllables I see in that first line. And do the same for the rhymes. I see me, mo, za, she said, I chose her. Okay, so as you can see, lots of single words are syllables. Then, covered in yellow, quite a strange fellow. Okay, all syllables. While buzzing bees hovered. Remember that what we're doing here is we're splitting the words up into elements that will be associated with notes. You'll see later we'll go through a stage where we fit the syllables onto a rhythmic bass. Note that the word hours has 2 syllables here. Hours. It's going to depend on how you fit it into the music. In English it can be pronounced hours, and that's the very posh, what's called received pronunciation way of saying hours. It's very royal, but we'll probably in the song sing hours, not ours. Okay? So there we have, I smell smoke from burning vegetation. That masks your perfume. All syllables. And so on. Okay, so see what you come up with.